So we're here today at Radcliffe on Soar power station. It's a coal-fired power station operated by E.ON in Nottinghamshire. It's got a capacity of 2,000 megawatts. It's right next to junction 24 of the M1. And it's adjacent to the East Midlands Parkway station, which I'm just standing near the car park now. It's got several cooling towers and a 200-metre tall chimney. There's 4 coal-fired boilers, each of which drives a 500 megawatt generator. So actually the total capacity, you're looking at 2,116 megawatts. That would actually produce enough electricity for approximately 2 million homes, and it emits some 8 to 10 million tons of CO2, which actually makes it the 18th highest CO2 power emitting station in Europe. That's 48 million cubic litres of water taken by the nearby River Trent, and it loses, for evaporation, for all the cooling towers, 11 million cubic metres of that water. So it's producing, if I scan up, at the moment we're a bit of a cloudy day. Actually you can see, hopefully, if I zoom in a little, we can see some of that evaporation taking effect. Let's go in. It's very difficult to see against the background. Some wisps there. But go again, look, there's the wisps of cooling going on. Now, of course, if you go down, you can see that's the main generator building there, with the chimney, of course. So there we go. And then if we go out again, and we'll go in and zoom in, there you can see, of course, it's connected to the national grid. So we've got pylons there, and if I zoom out, let's go right out. Probably see some cars in a second going past. We've then got, if we go right across, you can see if I go right down and zoom in, there's all the pylons there going from the left. So you can see 2 there on the left. Let's zoom on in. So that's connecting us up to the national grid in effect. So they're quite substantial pylons. So that is Radcliffe upon Soar power station. One of the big ones for the UK. And these are the ones that need to be phased out to try and get us down to a carbon neutral economy. Now, what is quite impressive is that actually part of a European directive is they're trying to reduce emissions of sulfur dioxide, oxides of nitrogen and dust as well. And what they have got is fitted is what's called a flue gas desulfurization scheme. And that tries to reduce and get rid of some of the nasty pollutants. There's some complex chemistry that goes on with that, but basically they inject ammonia directly into the flue gas, pass it over a catalyst, and that removes some of the pollutants. You can actually see there, I think, some of the gas is a bit better coming out of that middle tower closest to us. So built in the 1960s, it was burning 5.5 million tons of coal a year, and consuming effectively 65% of the output of South Nottinghamshire's coal mines. So clearly there is a need for this coal, and we could still be digging it out of the ground, but unfortunately those coal mines were shut by a previous government. So there we go, Radcliffe upon Soar.